A recent Frost & Sullivan survey of IT executives in the manufacturing industry showed that 99% were at some stage of digital transformation. Accurately capturing, analyzing, and using data within the manufacturing process is at the heart of reaching these goals. Traditionally, design and engineering have been isolated from assembly. But leading manufacturers are integrating these worlds, using the design function from reverse engineering replacement parts to total plant workflow, while advanced metrology enables these improvements. Advanced laser-based 3D metrology solutions traditionally used in QC are being used in the design phase to create precise virtual models of products for virtual testing. This ensures they can address potential faults and challenges before the prototyping and manufacturing phases. Entire factories can benefit from 3D metrology data to improve their processes. With digital transformation, standardization precedes optimization. Using modern metrology, entire plants can be created as digital twins to improve efficiency and then be replicated worldwide. Advanced metrology is the only way to create accurate digital representations of products and the manufacturing processes necessary for competitive, data-driven decisions.